The BM-30 Smerch, 9K-58 Smerch or 9A-52-2 Smerch M is a Soviet heavy multiple rocket launcher. The system is intended to defeat personnel, armored, and soft targets in concentration areas, artillery batteries, command posts and ammunition depots. It was designed in the early 1980s and entered service in the Soviet Army in 1989. When first observed by the West in 1983, it received the code MRL 280mm M1983. It continued in use by Russia. A program to replace it by the 9A-52-4 Tornado was launched in 2018. The first confirmed combat uses of the Smerch were in two war zones in 2014. Syrian military forces used the system against rebel forces during the Syrian civil war, including in fighting in Jobar. It was also used by Russia-backed militants to deliver explosive and cluster munitions to Ukrainian military positions and likewise by the Ukrainian army. Several have been seen in use by pro-Russian rebels. The Russian ground forces used the BM-30 in Syria in October 2015 during the Russian intervention in Syria. During the 2020 Nagorno-Karabakh conflict, Armenia and Azerbaijan both targeted the other country's territory with Smerch rockets. According to American and European media, Smerch rockets were fired from Belgorod in the 2022 Russian invasion of Ukraine. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.